Ever dreamed of making an extra grand a month but feel like you're stuck? Fear not, because in this video, I'm gone. Show you exactly how to start a side hustle that can earn you $1,000 a month, even if you have no experience whatsoever. But before we dive into this step-by-step guide, remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more epic money-making tips just like this. Now let's get into it. Step No. 1. Choose your side hustle. Let's kick things off by picking a side hustle that suits you perfectly. Got a knack for writing? How about designing, or do you prefer the outdoors? With options like freelance writing, graphic design, dog walking, and virtual assisting, the possibilities are endless. Research shows that freelance gigs are booming with a projected growth of 18% by 2031. Plus, platforms like Fiverr, Etsy, and TaskRabbit are making it easier than ever to find your hustle. Let's check out some examples of side hustles on Fiverr.com. From logo design to social media management, the options are vast. These independent contractors are turning their passions into profits. Now let's hop over to Etsy.com. This online marketplace boasts a wide range of side hustle opportunities, from selling digital products like printables and templates to offering crafting and design services. And finally, TaskRabbit connects you with people in your area who need help with daily tasks. Whether you're into fitness, pet care, or handyman services, there's something for everyone. Now that you've got your hustle, it's time to set up your profile. Think of it as your storefront, where potential customers will check out your offerings. Whether you're on Fiverr, Etsy, or TaskRabbit, make sure to include high-quality images, a detailed description of your services, and any relevant samples. Remember, first impressions matter. So take the time to craft a compelling profile that showcases your skills and experience. Next up, let's talk pricing. It's crucial to price your services competitively, especially when you're just starting out. Consider offering lower rates initially to attract your first clients and build a solid base. As you gain momentum, don't hesitate to increase your rates and offer premium packages. To stay ahead of the curve, research industry standards and compare your prices to those of your competitors. But remember, don't sell yourself short. You deserve to be compensated fairly for your hard work. Before you dive into the world of freelancing, it's essential to spread the word and market your hustle. Leverage the power of social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok to showcase your work and attract potential customers. Share snippets of your creative process or post before and after transformations to demonstrate your skills. But don't stop there. Join relevant Facebook groups and online communities to connect with like-minded individuals and promote your services. With a little creativity and effort, you'll have no trouble finding your first clients. Now that you've got the ball rolling, it's time to hit the gas and scale your side hustle to that $1,000 a month mark. The key is to continuously improve. Refine your offerings and reinvest your earnings back into your business. As you gain experience and positive feedback, don't hesitate to raise your prices and offer more premium services to your clients. Stay dedicated, embrace challenges, and watch your side hustle blossom into a thriving business. And there you have it, folks. Starting a successful side hustle doesn't require a lot of experience or technical know-how. By following these simple steps, you can turn your passion into profit and achieve financial freedom. Remember, consistency and dedication are key. So don't give up, even if you encounter a few bumps along the way. And always remember to reinvest back into your business for growth. Thank you for tuning into this video, and until next time, keep hustling and crushing your goals.